we are meeting with one of our partners from Waterdrip Capital, Jademont. Hi, Jademont.
Hey, Jademont, how are you?
Good. Thanks. So, if you could shortly introduce yourself.
Hello, everyone. My name is Jademont. I'm from Waterdrip Capital. So I have already been in blockchain industry for more than 5 years, and before I was an engineer in industry. And we started Waterdrip Capital from 2017, mid of 2017. And so far we have already invested more than 30 projects, both in tokens and equity. So we focus on the top blockchain projects from all over the world.
So how do you consider the project, and what are the criteria the most important for you?
Well, I think the most important factor is the team. So the team will, result in the failure or the success of a project. So this is the most important thing. And also, when we do investment, we consider the cost, like their market cap.
Okay.
So even it is a very good project, if it's very expensive, we wouldn't consider it.
Okay, that's a reasonable thing. Also, I would like to ask you about the current situation now in China. Like, China is pretty active in crypto investment. There are, to my knowledge, about 400 funds which are more or less into the industry. So the China is pretty active. So how do you perceive the situation now during the bear market?
Yeah, I want to speak about this point on two different views. Firstly, is from the normal people, like the common investors. So they welcome the blockchain and cryptocurrencies very much. But as a government, they don't like the tokens, and they're encouraging the tokenless, no token blockchain.
Oh yeah.
But generally, the government encourage the blockchain technology, not the tokens. This is the situation in China. But I think the government will make some change. They also realized that it's not reasonable to block or to forbid all blockchain projects with tokens. And they are also considering to make some change, but not yet. We are waiting for their new decision.
Yeah, and it's also quite interesting to see like how many Chinese companies like IT giants such as Tencent and Alibaba and Huawei, they're all developing blockchain departments within their companies, and the government is supporting it.
Yeah, I used to work at Huawei a few years ago, and I know in Huawei they have their blockchain lab. Okay, they spend a lot of money and the people on blockchain projects. Indeed, they are also supported by government. I mean, their application, the blockchain application. So I think also for Alibaba and Tencent, okay, they have their own blockchain projects. Those are the mainstream companies in China. And when their blockchain application, is released to the public. Okay, so people will realize that blockchain indeed can change your life or can make your life better. So then they will accept blockchain, and then they will accept tokens.
Oh yeah.
Okay. This might be the trend.
I see. Yeah, that's quite interesting. I believe that during your career you have seen a lot of projects, both Chinese and foreign projects, which are coming to China to seek for the funding and business development. So do you make any difference between the Chinese and?
Well, actually, I think blockchain or cryptocurrency is a worldwide business. Actually, I don't see much difference between Chinese projects or overseas projects. Okay, they are pretty much similar, but indeed there is some minor difference.
So what would you advise for the project who are seeking the funding here in China? Because a lot of projects are coming to China, and not so many can succeed. I believe that that's mainly because of the cultural shock, I would say, or maybe they don't understand the specifics of the investment. what do you think the risk can be?
Well, for some overseas projects, yeah, it's very difficult for them to succeed in China because of the language problem and the cultural problem. I think the best way for them to enter Chinese market is that they can find some representative who are Chinese or who know Chinese market very well, and then at least they need to have one core team member who is Chinese if they want to succeed in China.
I see.
It's very important.
Okay, so thank you so much for your valuable point of view, and we will keep in touch. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.